I'm in the drive-thru of Burger King. Can I please get a Papa Jr. with iron rings? Make it a meal so I can get a drink. No, I'm not finished, that's not everything. Can I please get a double waffle with no cheese? Can I please get a number 2 with a large drink? I got money so I don't care how much it costs me. So just throw in some extra fries, I'll make them salty. Case, if I give 10,000 bits, will you do 5 jumping jacks? Yeah. Yo, Shifty. You send 10,000 bits, I will literally do 5 jumping jacks. I literally will. Yo, Elliot with 5, he just sent 10,000 bits. Well, I wasn't expecting him to actually send 10,000 bits, chat. 5 jumping jacks, chat. You ready? Chat, you ready for 5 jumping jacks? Everybody grab onto something. It might get rough in here. Ban the dude that just said brace for impact, by the way. Get him out of here.
The National Weather Services has issued an earthquake warning for the entire United States. A magnitude of 14.5 has struck the United States with many buildings and homes destroyed and people killed. This earthquake will last in 30 minutes with total mass damage across the country. For safety, take immediate shelter with the following supplies: food, water, and more to grab during this deadly earthquake situation. More information will be here soon about this deadly situation.
Chat, y'all good? Everybody alive? And he said tsunami alert. I just fell out of my chair. I'm in the air. I just heard that from Japan. I like how I opened up my Discord and general chat. This dude just said 2 million people just lost their lives. Why did you kill...
This message was transmitted from the President of the United States and every leader in the world. Our world is coming to an end due to the 14.5 magnitude earthquake that hit the entire Earth. The magnitude was actually 35.9 magnitude. This will cause the Earth to explode due to higher earthquake power. After the explosion occurs, there will no longer be life again. To these final moments together, gather friends, families and pets and brace for the end. May God help us all. And thank you for being a part of the American dream.
Have a good night.